Hello everyone! Are you wondering what novosexual means? Let's explore. Novosexual describes someone whose sexual orientation changes over time. Unlike people with a fixed sexual orientation, novosexual individuals might experience shifts in who they are attracted to, which could change over days, months, or years. This orientation is fluid, allowing for the possibility that one's sexual attraction may evolve or fluctuate throughout their life. Novosexuality challenges the idea that sexual orientation must be stable or unchanging, instead offering a way to describe an experience of sexuality that is dynamic and adaptable. In essence, being novosexual is about having a sexual orientation that is subject to change, reflecting the variability of sexual attraction over time. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.